Good morning, dear friends. Namaskar, Salam, Sat Sri Akal. You are welcome in part 6 of the series. Before we start, let us see what we have covered in part 5. We have discussed the stimulus package of rupees 50,000 crores offer equity infusion for MSME through fund of funds. In part 6, we will discuss rupees 30,000 crores specially liquidity scheme for NBFCs, HFCs, MFIs. Before discussing, it is our duty to inform you that public sector banks had already disbursed rupees 8,320 crores till June 5, 2020 towards 3 lakh crores emergency credit line guarantee scheme for the MSME sector. Please apply under this scheme before October 31st, 2020 and before the scheme closes. After last video, Mr. P.K. Agrawal suggested to give a saransh in Hindi of part 5 about equity infusion to MSME. फंड ऑफ फंड्स में सरकार का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है वो है 20% और बाकी का कंट्रीब्यूशन जो आता है वो आता है 80% जनता के इन्वेस्टमेंट का। 20% का मतलब 10,000 करोड़, 80% का मतलब 40,000 करोड़। इस तरह ये टोटल मिलाकर हो जाता है करीब 50,000 करोड़ जो कि एमएसएमई को अवेलेबल है इक्विटी इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए। अब इन इक्विटी इन्फ्यूजन जो होगा वो सिर्फ जो प्रमोटर का कंट्रीब्यूशन होगा उसका 15% होगा। अगर मान लो एक एमएसएमई की कैपिटल 1 करोड़ है तो इसका मतलब 60 लाख रुपए, अगर प्रमोटर का कंट्रीब्यूशन है 60% तो वो उसका 15% अर्थात उसकी एलिजिबिलिटी 9 लाख की होगी। 9 लाख में से 20% अर्थात 1,80,000 रुपये सरकार का कंट्रीब्यूशन आएगा और 7,20,000 रुपये जो आएगा वो इन्वेस्टमेंट जो जनता का किया होगा फंड ऑफ फंड्स में वहाँ से आएगा। इस तरह उसे 9 लाख रुपए की इक्विटी मिल जाएगी ब्रॉड बेस बनाने के लिए। नाउ वी डिकोड रुपीज 30,000 करोड़ स्कीम ऑफ स्पेशली लिक्विडिटी स्कीम अनाउंस्ड under the stimulus package for MSME. NBFC, HFCs, MFIs are finding it difficult to raise money in debt market. ये चारों शब्दों का प्रयोग किया गया है और ये हैं NBFCs, HFCs, MFIs and debt market. पहले हम इन चारों शब्दों को समझेंगे और हम ये भी समझेंगे कि मनी रेज करने के लिए इसमें क्या डिफिकल्टी आ रही है। एनबीएफसी का मतलब है नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंसिंग कंपनीज, एचएफसीज का मतलब है हाउसिंग फाइनेंस कंपनीज, एमएफआईज का मतलब है माइक्रो फाइनेंसिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस। अब हम देखेंगे वास्तव में ये इंस्टीट्यूशन क्या है। व्हाट इज एनबीएफसी and HFCs and MFIs and NBFCs provide banking facilities and financial services, but their functioning and purpose are very different from the legal interpretation of banks. NBFCs are covered under banking regulations which are set by Reserve Bank of India. They provide banking services such as credit facilities, retirement planning, loans, stocking and investment in the market. However, they cannot take any kind of deposit from the public. Bank provide financial assistance in the form of working capital limit and term loan to non-banking finance companies. That includes housing finance companies. Microfinance is a banking service provided to unemployed or low income individuals or group who otherwise would have no other access to financial services. What is debt market? The debt market is the market where debt instruments are traded. Debt instruments are assets that require a fixed payment to the holder, usually with interest. For example, debt instruments include bonds, government or corporate, and mortgages. What is difficulty? Financially weaker NBFCs are prone to run mismatches in the short term maturity. Default in IL and FS bond sparked a liquidity squeeze that spread to other NBFCs. The proportion of non-performing assets as percentage of the loan book has steadily increased, while capital adequacy has declined. Next point is government will launch a 30,000 crore special liquidity scheme. SIDBI provide liquidity support to MSMEs impacted due to COVID-19. SIDBI invites the application from the NBFCs, HFCs and MFI for this fund. यहाँ हम सिडबी की फुल फॉर्म बता दें. सिडबी का मतलब है स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट बैंक. एनबीएफसीज को किनको वो रीफाइनेंस करेंगे, किनको पैसा देंगे, जिनकी एप्लीकेशन इनवाइट की गई है, उसके बारे में हम आपको विस्तार से बताएंगे. एनबीएफसीज में एलिजिबिलिटी उनकी होगी जो रजिस्टर्ड हैं आरबीआई के साथ and must be in the business for the last 3 years, and minimum net owned fund is rupees 20 crore, asset size is 50 crore and external rating is BBB, CRAR above RBI requirements. MFIs में कौन eligible होंगे? In operation, the MFIs should work for last 3 years. They must be registered as societies, trust or under section 8 of the Companies Act. Valid loan rating of BBB entity for promoters should not be blacklisted. CRAR above RBI requirement. The RBI requirement has ended the special dispensation granted earlier for non-banking financial corporations owned by the government. Private-owned NBFCs have to maintain a minimum capital to risk asset ratio of 15%. If Tier 1 capital is 10%, next point is under this scheme, investment will be made in both primary and secondary market transactions in investment grade debt proper paper of NBFC, HFCs and MFIs. The primary market is where securities are created, while the second market is where those securities are traded by investors. In the primary market, companies sell new stocks and bonds to the public for the first time, such as with initial public offering, that is IPO. An investment grade is a rating that signifies a municipal or corporate bonds presents a relatively low risk of default. Bond rating firm like Standard and Poor's and Moody use different designations. Next point is these investments will be fully guaranteed by the government. Under this scheme, bank will allow to invest through both primary and secondary market transactions. These investment to the extent of rupees 30,000 crores will be fully guaranteed by the government. This will provide liquidity support for NBFCs, HFCs, MFIs and mutual funds and create confidence in the market. It will supplement RBI government measure to augment liquidity and securities will be fully guaranteed by Government of India. This will provide liquidity support for NBFCs, HFCs, MFIs and mutual funds and create a confidence in the market. In part 7, we will discuss about rupees 45,000 crores partial credit guarantee scheme 2.0 for NBFCs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and push bell icon to get notifications immediately after release of video. That will come on the next Thursday अर्थात गुरुवार and बृहस्पतिवार और बृहस्पतिवार. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you. धन्यवाद. शुक्रिया. Bye.